Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, I'm Italo, and today we are talking about how to source sports equipment from China, whether you are looking to stock up your store or start your own brand. I have got some unique tips to help you navigate the process. Understanding what's trending in sports equipment is key. I will focus on fitness gear, team sports equipment, or something more niche like extreme sports gear. Doing a bit of market research can help you identify what's in demand. Check out sports forums, social media trends, and even look at successful brands to see what is popular. When sourcing sports equipment, look for manufacturers that specialize in the type of gear you are interested in. For example, if you're sourcing yoga mats, find a factory that focuses on fitness equipment. Specialized manufacturers often have a better quality control and more expertise in their specific area. Sports equipment needs to meet certain safety and quality standards, so make sure you ask for certifications. Look for products that have been tested and certified for things like durability and safety. Common certifications to check for include ISO certifications and relevant sports standards depend on the equipment. Before you place a large order, always get prototypes. Test these prototypes and use them as intended. Check for wear and tear and ensure they meet your quality expectations. If possible, get feedback from potential users or athletes who can provide valuable insights. If you're aiming to build a brand, you are looking at customization. Ask your manufacturer about options for branding your equipment, like custom colors, logos, or unique designs. Customization can set your products apart from the competition and make your brand more recognizable. Sourcing sports equipment involves more than just finding the right product. It's also about managing logistics. Ensure your supply has a reliable shipping and handling process. Look into options like bulk shipping, warehousing, and how to handle any custom regulation. Smooth logistics will keep your supply chain efficient and your products timely. Building a strong relationship with your supplier can make a huge difference. Regular communication, clear expectations, and a partnership mindset can lead to better pricing, priority on orders, and even early access to new products. Don't just treat it as a one-off transaction. Invest in the relationship. That's all for today. If you need a sourcing company to manage this for you, please check the description for more information about our services. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.